Today I'm going to show you how to install the Advantage Hard Hat Premier tonneau cover on this 2017 Ford F-150. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is take our cover, set it up towards our bulkhead. Then we're going to unclip it. Now we can fold the cover back. With it all the way unfolded, we're going to align it side to side and then also front and back. You can see if you look at your bed cap that it has kind of a rounded edge. Now that's going to match up with the edge on our tonneau. So we want to make that match on both sides. So once we have it aligned where we want it, we're going to carefully fold it back. And then we're going to go underneath and tighten our two clamps towards our bulkhead. Now we're underneath our cover on our passenger side, and you can see a clamp here. We're just going to pull that from its storage position. One side is going to have a claw or like a jaw side. We're going to face that side towards our bed cap, slide it all the way in. That part is going to slide underneath of our bed cap, and then we're going to twist to tighten our knob and the clamp until there's no more play in it at all. And that's going to tighten down the cover to the bed of our truck. And we're going to do that on both sides. Now we can fold the cover back. Make sure everything is still lined up the way that we want it. And then we can pull down our clamps in the front and lock them into position. Now we can pull our tailgate clamp down from its storage position. You can see that there is a locating pin at the top. That's going to go in the groove underneath right here. You're going to push it underneath the bed cap and then pull it towards the tailgate to lock it into position. We're going to do that on both sides. That's going to complete the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.